The most talked about foldable phones of the year, the Huawei Mate XT. This is Huawei leading the foldable game once again, and we've got a hands-on first look at their revolutionary trifold design. If you're as excited as we are, hit that subscribe button and smash the like. You don't want to miss this one. Let us dive right in. Now, before we even got our hands on it, the hype for the Mate XT was insane. Over 4 million people on the waitlist, and now I see why. This is the world's first market-ready trifold phone, and it's packed with premium design features. Check out these two colors, a stunning red and black, both wrapped in luxurious vegan leather with golden frames. Oh, and don't forget that super sleek golden plate at the back. Absolutely gorgeous. Let us know which color you pick in the comments below. But wait until you see this unfold. The Mate XT is just 3.6mm thin when open, and boom, you've got a massive 10.2-inch display at your fingertips. With a 3K resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate, the visuals are crisp, smooth, and immersive, whether you're browsing, watching videos, or multitasking. This thing is a tablet, phone, and productivity powerhouse all in one. And it only weighs 298 grams, so while it's not feather light, it's surprisingly manageable for what it delivers. Now, let us talk hinges. Not just one but two precision-engineered hinges that let you switch between screens with ease. Whether you're splitting windows or viewing content across the full 10.2 inches, it's all about versatility here. Plus, less bezel means more screen for everything you do. And they've thought of everything. There's a built-in stand in the case for hands-free use and even a foldable keyboard with a trackpad. Huawei has thought about everything to make this the ultimate productivity tool. Now, flipping over to the cameras, we've got a 50MP main camera, 12MP ultra-wide, 12MP telephoto, and 8MP front-facing camera. This is Huawei's top-tier camera game, and we'll dive deeper into how it performs in our full review. And all this packed into a phone that's just 1.9mm thin, with a 5,600 mAh battery inside. They've squeezed in 3 separate batteries to keep this beast going all day long. We're still waiting on some final details like the processor and real-world performance, but the Huawei Mate XT is already shaping up to be a total game-changer. Yes, it's priced a bit higher than your average foldable, but for this level of innovation it's worth every penny. And guys, this is just the beginning. The full review is coming soon, so make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you